ninth class students, subject to social. We are discussing about 12th chapter. A chapter name changing cultural and traditions in Europe 1300 to 1800. Changing cultural and traditions. Europe 1300 to 1800. In last class, previous classes, so many topics in changing cultural traditions in Europe completed. Today, another important topic printing press. Printing press. Printing press or printing machine invented by the Gutenberg. Gutenberg invented by the printing. Before printing press, which type of writing methods there? Different type of writing. People use the palm leaves and human writing. Some type of writings only the cloth. Before printing press, invention of the printing press, invent of the printing press, some type of methods. The methods are also very slow. After printing press, the number of books, so many books printed in a printing press. The European people read the books, number of books available for the people. Different languages, different subjects, different type of subjects, books, languages also available in libraries. Number of libraries established in Europe. European people read the books. The people developed the cultural awakening, developed education, developed the languages, developed the social awareness, political awareness, economical awareness. The people ideas, views, opinions also shared by each other. The scientific growth, the cultural awakening, the people read the different type of books. After the people impact by the books. Books is the important change in Europe. Number of books printing press. Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing machine. The first book printed in a printing press, Bible. Yeah. Or Indian printing also with the printing press. Here, the Europeans in Europe, so many changes there. According to culture, according to political, according to social, according to economical, so many changes are influenced in Europe. The peoples also demand and need and wants any type of speeches, any type of information against the books. The people immediately against that type of the speeches. Why books are available there? The educators read the books. The people wanted real information, available real information. Suppose example, Roman Catholics, clergymen are the Bible. Only Bible information not teaches the people. Some own priority or own rapid purpose for the speeches by the clergymen. There is no information in Bible. The people read the Bible. After the religious reforms, religious awakening, religious reformations started in Europe. Religious reformation started in Europe. Main reason printing. Bible available in common people. Before printing press, there is no number of copies, there is no number of languages. According to language of Bible, they are available in common people. Only the Bible is available in clergymen. Here, the printing press is important to influence in our world, in Europe. Why? The religious reformations. Religious reformation. Religious reformation is also one of the reason in Europe. I mean, change the cultural and traditions. The religious reformation started by Martin Luther. Martin Luther, the German monk, German clergyman, father, the Roman Catholics church clergyman. Martin Luther main demand number of wrong information given by the Roman Catholic clergymen, the people. Really, there is no information in Bible. Clergymen speeches against the Bible without Bible information expressing the main purpose the profit of the world, demand the world purpose. The people, European people, especially according to religious reformation started in Europe. Religious reformation started by Martin Luther, according to Roman Catholic Church. Number of divorce expressed by the Martin Luther. Martin Luther is the main important religious reformer. According to church, according to Roman Catholics. Here, religious reformation even religious reformation also very important reason in Europe. Martin Luther religious reformation starting in Europe and after so many changes in Europe, especially Germany to other countries spread the religious reformation. First to start in Germany. After remaining European countries spread out the religious reformations. Roman Catholics had supreme Pope superiority, supremacy, challenged by the Roman Catholics. Authority also challenged. Why? Pope authority, supremacy is not accepted by the people, especially who are at the books, inspire the people. So many experts, so many intellectuals against the Roman Catholic authority. Roman Catholics practices also very Bible. Against Bible. Example, intelligence certificates. Intelligence certificates issued by the Roman Catholics authority. Intelligence certificates is SIP paper. These type of wrong things not accept the people. Why Bible is available in people? Roman Catholics Supreme Pope authority also questioned by the people and especially Martin Luther. National states, nationality, national states, these type of ideas also start in Europe. Main impact of the religious reformation. So many emperors, kings also under control or under supremacy of the Roman Catholics and the Pope. Influence the church dominance, influence the religious dominance in Europe. After number of kings, number of against the Roman Catholic authority persons, include the national states. National states formed in Europe. Religious reform, the Christianity is divided two branches. First one, Roman Catholics. Roman Catholic. Number two, Protestant. Protestant movement. Protestant movement started the Roman Martin Luther. Martin Luther started the religious reformation. The movement is also Protestant movement. Protestant movement main influence in Europe. The Roman Christianity divided two groups. Christianity divided two groups. Protestant group authority leader, the Martin Luther. It is one of the main reason religious reformation. The people against the Roman Catholic authority. So many blind beliefs, so many wrong principles expressed in Europe. The people also demand The people also need and wants information of the Bible. The people also avoid the Roman Catholic salad. The religious conflicts, the religious differences, changes in your according to Christianity. Here, the important influence in Europe religious reformation. Today, ninth class homework. What is the important factors of religious reforms? Formation movement. What is the important factors of religious reformation movement in Europe? All of you read and write. అర్థమైందంటే యూరోప్లో సంభవించినటువంటి మత సంస్కరణ ఉద్యమం. ఈ మత సంస్కరణ ఉద్యమం యొక్క ముఖ్యమైన ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ కారణాలు ఏంటో మీరు రాయాలి. ఇది మీ వరకు నేను చెక్ చేస్తాను, అది గమనించండి. ఓకే, Hey.